In perhaps his most somber news conference to date about the pandemic, U.S. President Donald Trump urged the population to heed guidance to limit groups to no more than 10 people, work from home, and not dine in restaurants or bars.
It's absolutely critical for the American people to follow the guidelines for the next 30 days. It's a matter of life and death, frankly. It's a matter of life and death.
White House Coronavirus Coordinator Deborah Birx displayed charts demonstrating data and modeling that showed an enormous jump in deaths to a range of 100,000 to 240,000 people from the virus in the coming months. That figure was predicated on Americans following mitigation efforts. One of Birx's charts showed as many as 2.2 million people were projected to die without such measures, a statistic that prompted Trump to ditch a plan he articulated last week to get the U.S. economy moving again by Easter on April 12th.
We're going to go through a very tough 2 weeks. And then hopefully, as the experts are predicting, as I think a lot of us are predicting after having studied it so hard, you're going to start seeing some real light at the end of the tunnel. But this is going to be a very painful, very, very painful 2 weeks.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, said all efforts were being made to make those numbers lower.
So what we're going to see, and that's we got to brace ourselves, in the next several days to a week or so, we're going to continue to see things go up. We cannot be discouraged by that because the mitigation is actually working and will work.
The federal guidelines, which now are in place through the end of April, include admonitions to avoid discretionary travel, not visiting nursing homes, and practice good hygiene.
That will do this. There's no magic bullet. There's no magic vaccine or therapy. It's just behaviors. Each of our behaviors translating into something that changes the course of this viral pandemic over the next 30 days.
Trump said he planned to remain at the White House for the most part over the next 30 days. He added the White House was looking at a possible travel ban for Brazil. After the White House earlier discouraged Americans from wearing masks if they were not sick, the president encouraged the practice on Tuesday but said people should use scarves so as not to divert supplies from healthcare professionals. Beverly Saison, UNTV News and Rescue, USA. We serve the people. We give glory to God.